Hey guys, what's going on? Mike is back with another interesting video. So on this video, we're gonna unbox a Skar Audio TWS-01. This is the 4 ohm 80 watt RMS power tweeter. If you're new to my channel, I did tons of video comparing all the 6x9s and the best sellers, all the tweeters and the pro audio tweeters, something like this. We do always on the channel. And you see there's a stack of tweeters right here and another stack of tweeters, all the best sellers on the market right now. So we're gonna unbox everything and we'll do the sound demo. So here I have an Alpine Type S series. This is the mid-level, the good speaker, right? This is a high-level, high-end good speaker, Infinity Kappa. So this guy, Alpine Type S, will play from 65 hertz to up to 20,000 hertz. Infinity Kappa will play in adjustable, the tweeters play from 35 hertz to 35,000 hertz. Reason why I have these speakers, while we're adding the tweeter, can we listen the difference between the the tweeters? Should we add the tweeters for the sound system or not? So we're gonna find out. And also we're gonna compare all these from $0 to $100. I mean, from $9 to $100 range of tweeters. Even we have 4Cal tweeters. This one is a high-end tweeter. It was from the 4Cal, so on. So we're gonna compare all the tweeters between them, and we're gonna find out what the best tweeter for the price. What I do always on my channel, right? Let's unbox this guy. Even this is a quarter price of the high-end tweeter. The packaging 10 times better than that. I want to tell you right now. This is one of the best seller. Skar Audio hit you up with the nice sticker, of course, installation and the bracket. And the size wise, you can pause the video and take a look at the size chart. All right. And also they make very good listing on the Amazon or on the eBay if you're watching, if you're looking this, right? So you have a nice length of the wires for the both tweeters. All right, you have a capacitors installed in the both wires, and you have a mounting bracket with the screws and another mounting bracket plastics if you want to install them external, not the internal wise, right? You see, you can just screw any side and you can install it. Of course, we're gonna play the music and see the difference. What about if this guy is the cheapest audio pipe in the Skar Audio? For feeling wise, Skar Audio feels decent, heavier. I think it's a bigger magnet. All right, let me take it off. Okay, you have a two mountain bracket for this tweeter, and the weight wise is solid, a lot heavier, almost double heavier than this guy, the audio pipe. So you see how good is this. It comes with the connectors for the tweeters, and everything is built in. So you have a crossover is built in here. It's not the only one capacitor, it's like a 1 2 3 with on the board. As you can see, they're not throwing you with the just single capacitor. And this is the wires, whatever you want to connect, you just connect or solder, and that's it, ready to go. Thank you, Skar Audio, to make very good the units. So we have a tons of power here. We will connect the power, of course. And what we're gonna run the tweeter itself first, and we're gonna run with the speakers, and we're gonna see how much volume they will add with the speakers, right? Let me connect. A lot cleaner and no hissing sound. All right, now our challenge is can this tiny Skar audio tweeter will add any sound for the speaker, for the Alpine. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna play Alpine and we're gonna add the tweeter to that Alpine and we'll see what's gonna happen. Yes, it adds a sound for the tweeter, clarity a lot, you know, nicer and crisp. But I have a tons of different tweeters. We're gonna add them. So super tweeter is always a lot louder and it will handle more power. But yeah, Skar audio. Alright, so this was a sound comparison and the conclusion. So for the price, is amazing tweeter, build quality, fit and finish, everything is nice, heavy, solid feel to it, and the sound quality is not a lot of hissing sound, and the louder it gets, more brighter it gets, because it doesn't use only the one capacitor, like they controlling the filter a lot better than, for example, just a single capacitor like this, right? As you can see that they have a boards, all that stuff, nice connectors, long wires, and the packaging, including for the price, the units it comes for the price is really good. But what I can say, for the stock head units, any upgraded sound system from the stock, for example, Harman Kardons, whatever you have right on your vehicle, like a Bose system, if you add these tweeters, you're gonna get huge sound improvement, and it will allow it, because these guys gonna be like destroying any stock head units. But this guy, the Skar audio tweeter, can add volume and can add the clarity for these speakers. So definitely, guys, if you have a stock head unit, I highly suggest to get one of these tweeters. Just install them and you're gonna see it, or just upgrade whatever tweeter you have, and you're gonna see the sound quality. It's like it's mic approved for the price, right? It's called. All right, I'm gonna run the different. This is the unboxing, so I'm gonna run actually sound demo, like a lot of more different kind of musics and a different kind of levels. So watch my other videos and I will unbox other tweeters.